I would just fly, fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay. So I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I've been on my own for a minute. Is it only me out there? Searching for the place to begin it. Is it me? Is it you? Is it fear? Standing on the line I was given. People stare and ask me why I'm here. No one seems to think that I fit in, but I don't wanna be like them. No, 'cause I don't wanna be like them. 'Cause I know that I had a dream that someday I would just fly, fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay. So I had a dream.
Very good morning to all of you. This is Khushi Sriyal from Universal Convent Senior Secondary School, Kalajuni. Today we are here with an art integration project of English based on the first flight chapter, Glimpses of India, which is one of the most beautiful country in the world and is best known for its colorful culture and fascinating heritage. Its grand monuments like Taj Mahal, which act as a strong pillar of deep and rich history that India possesses. From their splendid architecture to a strong legacy, the historical monuments of India speaks a lot about it. There can be no better way to define art integrated project else than the concept of integrated India. Integrated India is the bond and togetherness between people. It is a feeling of the social unity, oneness, brotherhood in a country. Let's get to know more about India. Over to Priyanshi.
India has become self-sufficient in agricultural production and is now one of the top industrialized countries in the world. One of the few nations conquered nature for the benefits of people. As you travel India, you see a range of vast tourism choices, diverse in land and nature. People try cuisine, feast, dance forms, arts, crafts and adventure sports. Spirituality, history even vary as you journey from one state to another. As a country, India has achieved all-round socio-economic progress in the last 70 years of independence. World-class airports, hotels, shopping malls, restaurants, pubs and cafes. India is a land of varied culture and tradition. People varied from numerous castes, religions and creeds. Residing in our country, they have all contributed to the making of Indian history and culture. India is one of the most religiously and ethically diverse nations in the world with some of the most deeply religious society and culture. Now Diksha will tell you more about historical monuments.
India is home to some of the finest historical monuments in the world, most recognized by the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Famous Indian monuments include the beautiful Taj Mahal, the sacred Golden Temple, the cultural site Hawa Mahal. In Madurai, Meenakshi Temple is impressed with art and culture history. The Mysore Palace of famous historical monument in the city of Mysore is Karnataka. The most famous attraction in Mumbai is the Gateway of India. Famous historical monument Red Fort is located in center of beautiful Delhi. The PM hosts the national flag on the Red Fort in Independence Day. Qutub Minar is one of the tallest tower in the world, standing elegantly in capital city New Delhi. The most famous and majestic monument known as Charminar is located in Hyderabad. India, the land of attraction of us, some of the best landscape in the world along with amazing natural wonders and scenery. Thank you, and now back to Khushi.
That's it for the day. We will meet again with the next topic in the next video.
So I had a dream that I'd just fly away, away, oh.